Yeah, hi Mel and Blake. So this is just a video to first of all just run through all the whiteware and the tapware that we need to get sorted. Um, there's two things we need. We need model numbers and obviously brand names of everything prior to the 6th of January, so the plumber knows exactly what he's dealing with. That's item number one. Item number two is actually having physical items on site by no later than the 10th of January, and they would be all the toilets, the shower mixers, and the heads, like in the ensuite, and the heated towel rails. Those items we'd physically want on site no later than the 10th. But let's go back. This is kind of what I just wanted to run through with the whiteware and the tapware. So, looking at the guest or the powder room, I'll just come down. We definitely need to know, so the spec of the vanity, the spec of the toilet. Now, the vanity 400 by 350 max would be allowed. The toilet, I know you didn't like Franklin's toilet, but maybe if you could give me a model of something else, then we can get a price on that and get it rolling for you. Um, the laundry, so we're having wash machine low, dryer stacked above, vented out, then full bench across to the wall. The only thing we need to know for the laundry is the sink going to be central of the spot between that wall and basically the dryer? If that's going to be center, then we're all good. That's all we need to know for now. The actual sink can come later. If it is one of those concrete benches, the sinks that you like, that can come later. No drama there. So that's all good. Now the bathroom. So definitely need to have the shower mixer sorted by the 6th of Jan. Also, we need to have the physical product by the 10th. So in order to order that, we really, if we need the shower mixer by the 10th, we we kind of need to have this item ordered this side of Christmas. Um, Heated towel rail, so whether we're going for a horizontal or a series of verticals, we need to know. Nothing else with the shower other than the mixer. The vanity, so the vanity, we need to know what type of vanity that you're going with in terms of the size. So this has been marked as a 1200 vanity. So, yeah, we need to know what type of vanity. Same with the toilet, nothing for the bath. So, we don't have to sort anything out for the bath. Going to the ensuite, same thing with the shower mixer. We need to know by the 6th, but we need to actually have the physical item on site by the 10th. Same with the heated towel rails. The 6th, we need to know. 10th, we need them on site. Vanity, this is a 1200 vanity. And you got the toilet. Sorry, just going back to the bathroom. This is actually a 1500 vanity, not 1200. So 1500, 1200 on the ensuite. The kitchen, don't need to have anything for the kitchen in terms of the whiteware and tapware right now, but you do need to know the appliances by the 6th of January. Don't have to have the physical items on site, but you need to know what type of appliances: fridge, oven, hob, range hood, dishwasher. Two reasons. Um, the kitchen guy will need to update his plan to make sure everything works. This is not the latest kitchen drawing, but also the Sparky will need to know what sort of demand the oven and the hob and all that have, the electrical items have, to make sure that he's running the white wiring. So that's all good there. So whiteware and tapware. Page two, you have a 1200 vanity, heated towel rails again, whether you're going for vertical or horizontal. The toilet and the shower, we need to all know by the 6th of Jan. We need to physically have the toilet on site and physically have the heated towel rails and the shower mixer. So you need to know all that. And that is it for the whiteware and tapware. Like I said, probably the easiest thing: go through Franklin, circle what you want, find the items that you don't like in Franklin's, like the heated towel rails, the toilets, and anything else. Send it through to us. We can get a price on it from our plumber, which will be a lot sharper. And then we have an entire list of things that you want, and then we can start booking in or ordering items for the 10th, which are the toilets, the shower mixers, the heated towel rails. Hope that helps, guys. Cheers.